Hi, this is Jared from Subway. Isn't it a shame that we have to give up? Oh, fuck, okay. Okay, take two. Take three. How's it go? Okay.
Isn't it a shame that we send people overseas?
Okay.
That give up two
Okay, I
arms
just
to
need
fight
the, I
for
just
the
need the, I
freedom?
just need the intro. Isn't it a shame? Okay. Take three. This is Bud. Shit. And I forgot my name, dude.
Take four.
Okay.
That's a good song.
Hey, this is Jared from Subway. Isn't it a shame that we send troops overseas that give up two leg, two arm to have the freedom here for people to give up two balls and a 6-inch meatball sandwich for what?
Two boots.
A turkey breast? Yeah, dude, we got it. We got it. That's a wrap, dude. Oh, fuck, dude.